Eto na, mga pangkin. Hanggang ngayon nakaka-receive pa rin ako ng mga questions about ano daw yung ginagamit kong trading platform at especially yung makakapag-trade ka ng forex at cryptocurrency. Ngayon, eto na. One of the biggest and most trusted trading platform just partnered with me. And this is Exness. Exness was founded 2008. Yes, mas matanda pa siya kay Bitcoin, and this is actually one of the oldest trading platform out there. They offer forex instruments, stocks, indices, metals, energies, at syempre, cryptocurrency. Now, I'm still studying the in and outs of the platform. So in the next following days, I will share to you my in-depth review about the platform. Pag-usapan natin yung mga key features na si Exness mo lang makikita. How to deposit, how to withdraw, and syempre how to trade, and a lot more. Alright, this is their website, exness.com. You can open an account here or use the one sa may bio ko. Instant withdrawals, 24/7. Okay, basahin nyo na lang. This is just a quick run through sa website nila. Nandito yung mga trading volume and everything. Sa ilalim, nandito yung more information about Exness and especially yung licenses nila. Now, if you want to learn more about Exness, make sure to visit their website. The link is in my profile. Also, follow nyo na rin yung TikTok nila sa @Exness_C. S-E-A. So, yun. Abangan yung mga contents natin about Exness. And if you're new here, hit the plus.